I'm here outside the Attleboro Courthouse where today Patriots star tight end Aaron Hernandez was charged with 6 counts, the most serious of which first-degree murder in the death of his acquaintance Odin Lloyd, a 27-year-old from Dorchester.
These are the charges that we sought this morning against Mr. Hernandez and the charges on which he was arraigned. Murder, carrying a firearm without a license, possessing a large capacity firearm, 2 counts, and 2 counts of possessing a firearm without an FID card. One of those counts involves ammunition.
I'm sorry, but you just heard we had a discussion in court about restricting comment on the case, and out of respect to that process, the defense team cannot comment today on this case. We're going to be pursuing it in court, where we look forward to our day in court.
How's Aaron doing?
Aaron's fine.
Prosecutor Sam Sutter and his assistants said that they've recovered video evidence of Hernandez immediately prior to this murder, waving around a firearm and speaking loudly about how you just can't trust anybody. He is later shown on tape picking up Lloyd from his home and driving Lloyd, as well as 2 accomplices, to the industrial park where Lloyd's body was later found. Prosecutors allege that Hernandez shot Lloyd 3 times as he tried to get out of the car and then stood over him and shot him twice more in the chest. Lloyd's family members were in court today. However, his mother left sobbing as the narrative of how her son was killed, according to prosecutors, was laid out for the courtroom. Hernandez, however, remained relatively emotionless. For more information, make sure to check out Boston.com and follow us on Twitter at Boston.com. For the Boston Globe, I'm Wesley Lowry.